Honestly, the girls, they came together and they fought. I'm so proud of them. Despite the circumstances, they stood together. We had one dream in mind, one goal in mind, and we achieved it.
All right, quick one. When you meet a strong opener like in Mozambique, Senegal, and we saw that against Mali, the first quarter will always struggle a whole lot. Why do we struggle in the first quarter and gather up pace in the third and fourth quarter? Sorry.
I mean, we're going against, these are other great teams. They're great teams. It takes time for us to also come together, but we're going up against great countries, great players. These are all professional players.
So in your final match against Mali, I will come and see one of the coaches was one for the very first, one for every team. And what did you tell you about
Yeah, that was halftime. So halftime we had a hard speaking. We had to pull it together. We had some unlike things that were not like us. We went down, we were up by 8 and then we lost the lead. So I went to them and said, hey, we have to win this game. We have to, and we did.
Look, I remember during the homecoming I asked you, how are you able to get these girls motivated after they won 4? Now they're going for the kick. How were you able to get them motivated to avoid complacency?
Yeah.
How were you able to do it, getting them motivated each game?
Yeah, it starts in practice. It starts behind the scenes. We prepare like we want to win everything in life. So if we prepare like that, when the lights come on, we're ready.
All right, quick one. There was a breastfeeding moment.
3 2 times for you in a row. Nobody gave you a chance to be able to say that, and now it's done it the second time. And for you, what's next for you now?
We keep going higher. World Cup, back to the Olympics, we keep going higher. But big thank you to NEC Chairman Diko. Big thank you to Tinubu. You guys sent almost 11 officials to our game. That's what's important. We need support from our officials. We need support from our government. We need support from everybody. So thank you, President.
Off the court, your fashion sense is quite impressive. What do you go into the game with? Am I going to wear this? I'm going to wear that to stun the whole crowd. I just want to know.
No, this is my style. This is who I am as a Nigerian woman. I love fashion. I love clothes. I love to look good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You have a boom mic for Christ's sake.
It feels really great. It feels amazing to be able to represent my country. It feels amazing to be able to play with these group of women. It feels incredible to be able to play in, for these coaches, and it feels really nice to come back and be able to present the trophy back to our country.
Going through Mozambique, Senegal, and Mali to win this trophy. Yesterday, first half 41-41. You girls were leading at 8 before they came back in the first half 41-41. What did the coach say to you guys to say, come, we can do it, we are not going back to this room without the trophy?
She told us to lead with experience. We've been there before. She's prepared us well. We weren't playing our best basketball in those moments, but in the third quarter, we wanted to come out and make sure that we show who we are.
So what game would you say was the most challenging game in the tournament?
I think they were all challenging, but I think the Senegal game was probably our toughest because they got up so late into the game, and we had to find the mental toughness to fight ourselves back into the game and get over the hump and take the lead.
I mean, just last week, the president honored the Super Falcons with OON, $3 flats, and $100,000. So, are you expecting the same from the president?
I'm thankful for whatever His Excellency will give us. Honestly, the honor is being able to represent the country, and I'm very thankful for that, and I feel very blessed to be able to do that.
And for the Olympics, that's a smart one.
That's a smart one.
The final of the game, that talked about the game between Mali. Where did you get the strength from? Did I say, where did you get your inspiration from?
Yeah.
I was missing out on that one.
The strength and the inspiration came from my sisters behind me. I mean, we fought so hard for this. It's not easy. Mali was such a great team, but we was able to stay together, play like the Tigers has always been playing for years to come, and we was able to just really fight into the end, and it turned out in our favor. And I'm really blessed and happy that we were able to come out with the victory.
All right, looking at what we've achieved so far at the continent from 2017 to 2025, we've been really, really dominant. And looking at 2028 at the LA, what's the expectation for the Tigers right now going into that tournament?
The expectation is to continue moving forward. I mean, what God cannot do does not exist. So we just want to keep moving forward, continue to be Team Nigeria, make new additions to the team, just continue to be great and see what comes of it.
All right.
Thank you. All of them were the toughest. I mean, every game we played was really tough. Rwanda was tough. Senegal was tough. Cameroon, Mozambique, all these teams were really tough, but we persevered. We fought with each other. We came together as a sister, and we finished it well.
So how does it feel to be welcomed home as champion?
It feels amazing. It feels like such a blessing. I mean, I'm so happy that we're all here, and I definitely want to take the time out to just thank you to the president, the first lady, the prime minister, all the chairmen, the chairwoman for just welcoming us to Nigeria and doing all that they can for us to make us look good and to welcome us home. Thank you so much. Women's sports is growing so much. I mean, it's so much elevated. There's so much talent here in Nigeria, and all we want to do is just put the recognition on the young girl, on the youth that's here in Nigeria. So we're doing all that we can to make sure that it's not just our success, it's the success of the youth and the generations behind us. So we just want to continue pouring into the youth and pouring into the city and pouring into Nigeria, and more is to come. Again.
Congratulations, Karen.
Okay, thank you. Now, you see this? Come on, man, Daddy.
AfroBasket Cups, breaking all sorts of records. We have the best coach in the world. We have the best coach in Africa. And we have the best coach of the tournament. We have the most valuable player of the tournament, who is the captain of the national team. It can't get any better. So I feel mighty proud, for Nigeria because of these girls.
What's your expectation? Are you expecting the president to want that play the Super Bowl?
Well, again, I know you want to put me in trouble, right? But what I will expect is that the president, in his usual way, will warmly welcome them. I'm sure he will tell them that we're all extremely proud. He's proud on behalf of all Nigerians. And I'm sure